Okay, done. So I think we are live now. So let's start the class. I'm very much excited to make you all understand how the things are important for us, how we are going to play an important role in doing the things. Okay. So first of all, in the week one, I can see that 80% of you are telling that, boss, I have completed. Okay, done. So I think we are live now. So let's start the class. I'm very much excited. Okay, so many of you are telling that you guys have completed the first two sessions. Right. So thanks a lot for that. Yes. Good evening. Let's start the class. I'm sharing my screen. Let's quickly jump on to the important aspects which are needed for you. And what is the agenda? What are the things that we are going to cover? Everything I will tell you. Okay. So this is the third session of the free course, which we have started in the last week. And you should be able to understand today's topic is all about DevOps tools in one go. Okay. So what does this mean? I will tell you what are the tools that we are going to cover. I will be telling you. And based on this, you can prepare the notes accordingly. Very much important today's classes. I would rate it as 5-star because in any interview you sit or any interview you talk, these are the tools which are majority of the times being asked. Okay. So that's very much important. And I can see all of your chat. Okay. So those who are giving the chats onto my plays, or those who have missed the last two sessions, these are the links you can check. Okay, both the links you can check. Yes, on YouTube also it's streaming, right? And if any of your friends are not able to join, you can give this stream link for today's class. Okay, right. So let's start the class, and very important. So first of all, I would like to tell you all, tell me one thing. Do you think that coding is important or not? I will start with this one. Is coding is important or not for the DevOps engineer? What is your take on this? You tell me, and I will tell you some things related to coding itself, okay, which will play an important role in your journey. Not required. Okay, someone is telling like not required. Someone is telling like required. What do you think? Just 1 second. I'm doing one more thing. Okay, great. Okay. So you all are telling that coding is important. So let's say like 80% of you are telling that, boss, coding is important. Okay. Let's say like 20% of telling you guys are telling that coding is not important. So let me tell you, boss, coding is very, very much important. So what are the tools and technologies that we need to learn in coding? Let me drill down a little bit and then we will start the DevOps tools in one go. Okay. So the first thing which you should be knowing is shell scripting, which is very, very much important, which will play around like 30% of your interview. And then comes your Python, which will again play and 50% of your interview. And then comes your Groovy, your Docker, your Jenkins files, Docker files, Groovy files, Kubernetes files, Prometheus configuration, elk stack configuration, any configuration of the tool, they will be asking you, which will comprises of 50, 30, 80, and 20%. Do you all agree, guys? First shell scripting, then Python, then you understand like what is Groovy, Docker, Jenkins, Kubernetes, Prometheus configuration, elk stack. all the configurations. They will ask any configuration to you. You should be ready with the answer. That's how the interview pattern is. How many of you agree? You all agree with me? Correct. That's very much important, guys. Okay. Right. You all agree with me. So let's go into a little bit of deep in understanding some of the things which we will focus on this part today. Okay. These two parts we will later focus, but let's focus on these part. Okay. So first of all, in today's time, when we talk about the CICD, which means like continuous integration, okay, and continuous deployment, okay, or delivery, okay, as per your intention or as per your knowledge, you can consider this. So continuous integration and continuous deployment are the two key factors for any organization to make their code get deployed onto the systems. Okay. For example, very simple example, I will tell you, you have a phone. Okay. Please see here, all of you, you have a phone. In this, there are many applications, correct? Let's say today is Women's Day, and a happy Women's Day to all the people, those who are watching me, right? In the class and on the YouTube also, right? On the Women's Day, if you have seen the applications, Blinkit, Swiggy, or Zomato, did you saw some changes with respect to Women's Day? There are some UI changes. There are some products which are specifically for women. You can gift to them, right? Did you saw all? So how this rapid deployment happens, how this deployment takes place very quickly is with the help of two factors. One is with the help of development, and one is with the help of deployment. Okay. So both the things should be done very rapidly in the agile manner. And at the same time, these aspects should be matching. Security, please write down reliability, scalability, right? Robustness, right? Zero downtime, stability. Do you agree with me? Rapid deployments, agility, security, stability, reliability, scalability, robustness, zero downtime. These all are the factors which we deal with. So these are the factors which our DevOps and SRE engineers primarily deal with. Do you guys agree with me? Right? So now let's give a deep dive into how these things are actually taking place. So very much important, I would like to tell you all, in any organization, may it be Java, may it be Python, may it be Node.js, may it be any kind of code that is currently getting deployed by DevOps tools, okay, onto the systems. Very, very much important. And anything, when I talk about the DevOps, here comes the tools. Please write down. This is how the DevOps tool stack goes into picture. The first tool which you will be able to see is CI/CD. It can be Jenkins, it can be Bamboo, it can be TeamCity, it can be any tool which is helping us to have our code getting deployed onto the systems. Okay, TeamCity, Travis, Argo CD. These all are the tools which are primarily helping us to prepare a CI/CD. Okay, the next comes the build tool. Please write down. The first is the CI/CD tool. The next comes the build tool. Okay, in this build tools, the primary thing is according to the Java. Let's say I am going to deploy my Java code. Okay, then comes, what is the code? What is the tool? Maven. Okay, if you are considering Node.js, then the build tool is NPM. If you are considering Python, all right, so basically Python doesn't have any build tool. It's a, you can say like a utility. You will create some libraries, you will create some utilities. Okay, and what else you have? Anything else? Gradle. Great. Gradle for what type of projects? Basically, Gradle for what type of projects? For Android. Android. Okay. .NET. Yes. So majority of the systems are built in this way. Are you guys clear? So whatever the code you are able to see, you need to deploy this code onto the systems. That is very, very much important. The next stack which comes into the DevOps pipelines, any idea? What is that? The repository, right? Here I have missed to tell you, beyond the CI/CD, there is something like Git and GitHub. Please write down, I missed it, sorry. So Git and GitHub, the first part plays an important role. So I will give the numbers in the different color, 1, 2, 3, and 4th. So we are talking about the 4th point here. You can write it in the same way. Okay. Right. Any idea what are the repositories that we are using right now? In the different color, 1, 2, any idea? SVN. Okay. So not that repository, not your code repository. I'm talking about the repository where we store the binaries, where we store the small files. The bigger code is stored in Git and GitHub. Do you agree with me? And the smaller is stored in the repository. So we have 2 to 3 repositories. Let it down here. The first one is your JFrog. Next one is your Nexus. Okay. And in the cloud ECR, I will tell you what are binaries and all. As of now, you can write like less than 10 MB or less than 100 MB files are stored in this repository. Yes, ECR or Docker repository. Okay, you can write it. Are you all clear with the first 4 pointers? Then I will move to the 5th point. Yes, AWS ECR I have written, Durga. Everyone clear in the class? All of you clear? Yes. Good. Right. Awesome. Okay. Now let's talk about the next point here. After the repository in CI/CD pipelines, you have something called Docker. Okay. In 2015-16, this tool came into existence and many people started using. So I will tell you the flow also, what tool is doing at what point. But as of now, write down at each point, there is a tool coming in, which is helping us some or the other way. Once the Docker is coming, you will work with images, you will work with containers, you will work with networks of Docker, right? And all those things are there. Once the Docker is done, the 6th tool which comes in picture is Ansible. You will do the automations inside the. Are you able to understand, guys? Let's say I have a Linux server where my application has to be deployed. If I need to have any automations prior to my deployment, I can do that. Are you able to understand? What is your 6th tool here? What is your 6th tool? Ansible, which will help us to do any kind of server automations, creation of server, deletion of server, addition of server, right? Anything which you want to do in server. So basically, server automations you can do here. Okay. Or infra automations. Are you guys clear? Any idea, once we have used Ansible, what is the next stack we will go with? Yes, beautiful. So the next comes Terraform. Let's say I want to have my AWS infra ready in 5 minutes, like dosa. If I want my Azure infra to be ready in 5 minutes, how I will make it? These are the things. The Terraform is the one place where you write the code and spin the infra in 5 minutes. Okay. And any idea what is the next tool which comes into the picture? Any idea? What is the next tool? Okay, I want from everyone the answer. Okay, right. So the next thing is Kubernetes, guys. Very, very much important. Here comes your pods, Kubernetes networking, Kubernetes concepts, and also here comes your deployments. Various kinds of patterns in Kubernetes comes into picture. Now, once the Kubernetes is done, do you know what is the 10th point here? Sorry, 9th point. Any idea? Beautiful. Here comes the SRE. Okay. So what this guy will do is, this guy will take care of system reliability, right? By introducing the tools like ELK, Prometheus, Grafana, Datadog, right? Dynatrace, Istio, Kiali, Jaeger. So these all are different kinds of tools which will help you. So tell me, what is the 10th point after this? Any idea? What is the 10th point in this entire DevOps tools in one go? What is the 10th point? Once you have done the monitoring, I am doing the monitoring of the system. I am good with the system. What is the 10th point? Any idea? Beautiful. Correct. So notifications and AI. Okay. And support. Do you agree with me? There are support engineers. There are AI engineers who you work with the notifications, you work on call. SRE will take care of this. So now see here the 10 pictures which are very, very much helpful for a DevOps engineer. Yes. Okay, how many of you want me to repeat? Are you guys clear? Are you guys clear? No, yes. Okay, network issue. Yeah, I have taken the screenshot. I will submit it to the team. Okay, yeah, I will repeat it. No issues. Everyone wants me to repeat. What about people on YouTube? Everyone wants me to repeat. Are you guys clear? No, yes. Okay, you want me to repeat. Okay, let me tell you again. The first block, okay, I will take the different color here. Please understand, I will not repeat this again. This will be the final repeat, okay? Now, all of you see here, the first point, we will start with Git and GitHub, right? Where you will store your code, okay? Where you will store your code. The second point, which will come as Jenkins, Bamboo, TeamCity, Travis, and 𝐅𝐫𝐶D. These are CI/CD tools. The third thing which will come into the pipeline or the DevOps stack are the build tools. It will be your Java, Maven, Node.js, NPM, Python, Gradle, Android, or .NET. These kind of build tools. According to the project, you will select your build tools. The fourth point comes as repository, where you will store the files which are 10 MB and 100 MB. You will just store the files. Okay, you are just going to store the files. The fifth point comes as Docker container. So whatever the files, I will tell you the story again, but as of now, just try to understand. The fifth point comes as Docker, where you will try to understand images, containers, networks, everything. Once the Docker is completed, you will see here Ansible, which is very, very much important tool. So what I will do is I will just highlight the tools names here. Maybe it will be helpful for you to understand what we are talking. Okay, so now you can see here what are the things that we are talking, right? So you see here the Ansible helps in infra automation, right? You want to spin up an instance in AWS. You want to do the system enhancements in AWS. Everything can be done with the help of Ansible. Very simple. Okay. The seventh point comes into picture is Terraform. Okay. In this, what happens? You will create your infra in 5 minutes. Let's say I want to spin up my infra in 5 minutes. You can do that with Terraform. Very important. The eighth point is Kubernetes, K8. Eighth point, you will see here pods, networks, concepts, everything. SRE comes into the picture in ninth point, where you will do the system reliability with the help of monitoring tools like Elasticsearch, Logstash, Kibana, Prometheus, Grafana, Datadog, Dynatrace, Istio, 𝐂𝐨𝐿𝐿. The 10th point is maintaining all the system in a proper way. So you will have AI, artificial intelligence, notifications, support, emails, on call. Basically, everything is taken care by SRE. So what is the primary difference between an SRE and a DevOps? Is basically until the point number 8, whatever you have seen till here, these all things will be taken care by DevOps. Okay. The ninth and the 10th point are taken care by SRE. So I always tell DevOps is pre-work and the SRE is post-work. Okay. Pre-work means pre-deployment work. You can remember like this, and this will be your post-deployment work. Do you guys agree with me? Yes. And that's how the division of the roles are also made. Okay. Do you guys agree with me? All of you? Yes. How many of you agree? Everyone? Okay. Now, start in the fresh page of notebook. Okay. Open your new page. I mean, the notebook should be like 2 pages. It should be at once. Okay. You understood, right? Like when I open my notebook, both the pages should be empty for me. So I will tell you some things now. It will be a bigger flow chart. You can design it accordingly on the notebook. Shall I start that? If you are ready, you tell me. The 2 pages should be there. Both the pages on the left-hand side, right-hand side, it should be empty. So whatever I'm going to tell you, that we will do as a project tomorrow. Okay, that's what. Okay, internet, I know. I have called that guy multiple times. He was telling, sir, bandwidth is good, nothing is happening. But again, I will again take the screenshot what Teja is telling. Okay, great. Let's start the work now. Very important. All of your eyes on the screen. Okay. Okay, I will also take a new page here. Okay. Okay, beautiful. All of you see here. I will now design a workflow. Okay. So you write it accordingly on the left-hand side page, tilt the page. Okay. Tilt the page and write it. Okay. So please see here, all of you, I'm going to design a system now, which I was using in my company. You can take the same notes as it is. Okay. I will not use any slides or anything, but try to understand. Okay. So all of you see here, Okay, great. Now, very important, the developers write the code and they store the code. Okay, store the code in GitHub. All of you agree with me? Whatever the developer writes the code, all the code is stored in GitHub. The usual size of the code will be in GB. Okay, gigabyte maximum. Okay, 2 GB, 1 GB, 2 GB, 3 GB. That is what. Once the CI/CD pipeline, let's understand this as Jenkins. Okay, the pipeline reads the code and the code is passed over each stage. Let's consider this is stage 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and there are 2 more stages which we will try and understand. At every stage, there is some process happening on this code. Okay, so something will happen here, something will happen here on the code. Whatever each stage, the tool is integrated with Jenkins. Let's understand this as Jenkins. The stage 2, the stage 1 was Git tool. Okay, the stage 2 is Maven tool. Okay, so Maven is used for building the tool, correct? The stage 3 was JFrog, right? The stage 4 was Docker, right? The stage 5 was Ansible. The stage 6 was Terraform. The stage 7 was Kubernetes. The stage 8 was, maybe you can consider like monitoring, right? And stage 9 and 10, AI and support roles, right? Now, in this, one of the important factors which is primarily going to change everything, right? Let me write down here. Yes, in the Sonar Cube, there are some security tools also. You can write in the stage 2 itself, before build, there are some security tools also. So have you heard about DevSecOps? Yes, before build, there is a security stack also. Please write down the security tool stack will be Sonar Cube, Black Duck, Fortify. These all tools are used by Walmart and all other companies. Okay, so everything, whatever I am telling, will be on real time only. Trivi and check marks. Okay, now I want answers from you. How many of you are experienced here? And tell me, are you guys using these tools? Same stack, how many of you are using? Let's say 1 or 2 tools are different, but am I telling truth? Yes. Some are telling no, some are telling yes, but majority of the companies are using these tools only. All of you agree with me? Do you guys agree with me? Correct? And don't leave the class because attendance will be, as you are aware, right? Okay. So tell me, most using the same stack. If you don't believe me, shall I ask the AI, what are the Walmart's tech stack? Let's see. Okay. So I have ChatGPT with me. I will open the ChatGPT and I will ask the AI, boss, you tell me what is the DevOps tools tech stack in Walmart company. Okay. So let's see what it has to tell us. Guys, beautiful. Did we discuss about this? Yes, correct. And Concord is, they have added a layer on top of Jenkins. Okay, so on top of Jenkins, you can see it's an internal flow which we were using. So basically, it's a, on top of that, they have added some security layers. So no need to worry. Docker and Kubernetes, we have seen. Terraform, we have seen. Ansible, we have seen. Have you seen all these things? Whatever I have told you, and basically cloud also, cloud we are not touching, but yes, as you are, they are using. Python, did I told you Node.js, Python? Hygieia, I have not touched. It's a security tool again. And OneOps is basically an internal tool, internal deployment tool. That is their own tool. So we will not touch that, right? Tell me, Do you agree with me, everyone? Yes. Now you see, it has given me the careers.walmart.com, right? Walmart has good openings on DevOps and SRE across the world. If anyone wants to apply across Walmart, please apply and you will get the opportunity. Okay. If you are good in all the tools, whatever I have told to you, there will be a chance that you are going to get 30 LPA, 20 LPA, excluding the stocks. Okay. Your extra joining bonus, right? So once you are going into these kind of companies, it's very good. Now tell me, do you know SAP company, SAP, right? I will hit now the same prompt, the ChatGPT prompt, right? I will ask the ChatGPT, what are the DevOps tools and tech stacks in the SAP company? You see here, Walmart is product based. Okay. You should not ask that question. Okay, guys, all of you see here, Git, Jenkins, Ansible, Splunk. Okay, Splunk anyways, we missed. Okay, it didn't mention all the important tools. It gave the less tools, but let's see. Any other company you remember, which I can ask for the DevOps tools tech stack? Okay, do you want to see about Cisco? Okay, Jenkins. Now, if you see anyone who is telling that boss Jenkins is outdated, have you heard about this? Anyone telling Jenkins is outdated? No. You tell them by Jenkins is used by all the companies. And Cisco, if you have any friends, you can ask them. Jenkins is the primary tool for CI/CD in Cisco. If I am telling wrong, you talk to any of the Cisco employee, they will tell you. Cisco DevOps engineer or SRE engineer. Okay. Ansible we are using. Prometheus, Elk Stack, Grafana, GitHub, Kubernetes, Java, Python, Node.js. Now you tell me, can I take this entire stack as universal stack? Can I call this as a universal stack of DevOps? Do you guys agree with me? How many of you agree with me? People on YouTube, those who are watching me. I have shown you live things. I'm not telling anything lie here. You can directly talk to anyone on LinkedIn. Universal stack. You can talk with anyone on LinkedIn. All of you agree with me? People on YouTube, please like the video. Okay, so if you like the video, it will give me a motivation. You can make it 100 likes. Okay, and share the link with your friends also. Guys, can you make this as 100 likes? Can we do that quickly? At least for my energy. At least you saw what ChatGPT is telling you. Everyone on the Zoom, you can click on the link and you can make it 100 likes. You want any other company to check? You want startup companies? Do you want me to ask ChatGPT what about the startup companies, tools and tech stack? Yes. Startup companies. Okay. How many of you want me to ask ChatGPT about startup companies? Okay. How many likes? Let's see now on the YouTube video. Okay. Okay. Only 55. Why? You guys didn't like the class? You guys are not liking the class? I am putting much more words in making you understand how the real things work. Okay. Let's do the 100 likes, please. Let's do that. Yes, let's do 100 likes. I'm waiting for you. I'll refresh the screen one more time. Let's see. 55. Why? 64. Come on. You guys can do it. I know. Okay, let me refresh it again. Okay, 82. Come on. Little bit more. Little bit. guys with this motivation. Okay, I will get motivation. People on YouTube, American Express, Apple Cards. Okay, let me refresh it again. HP. Okay, 82, come on. HP, American Express. This is my first class. Is there any previous classes? Yes, Sandeep. Previous classes were completed. I will tell you at the end, once the attendance is completed, we will tell you. Now, beautiful. All of you see here. You ask ChatGPT. We all trust ChatGPT, right? We all trust ChatGPT. Now let's ask, what are the tools and tech stack that a startup company uses? Let's say like a startup company is there, Zomato. Very much important. Okay. So let's see. What are the DevOps tools tech stack in Zomato company? Let's see like this. Okay, let's ask. Okay, why? Okay, it a network error. Sometimes this chat GPT behaves rude. Why error? Okay. Okay, guys, the tool stack of Zomato is almost same that we have written. Git, CICD, Jenkins, GitLab CI. Okay, here they are using combination of multiple pipelines. GitLab CI, Circle CI, and Jenkins. Okay, they are using Docker and Kubernetes as we have discussed. They are using Ansible, Terraform, Prometheus, Grafana, Elk Stack, AWS, and GCP. So they are multi-cloud, similar like Walmart. Walmart is on GCP and Azure, but Zomato is on AWS and GCP. They are using Python and shell scripting. Database, all the organizations, yes, database is needed. Slack and Jira. Vault, they are using SonarQube, and these are testing framework. I think this is very good stack. Okay. So maybe you can take a screenshot if anyone wants to take it, right? And you can keep it with you. Clear? So any company you can check like this. And those who are watching me, guys, you can post today on LinkedIn stating that, boss, the DevOps tech stack in all the companies are same. I am not going to fear about the interview. I am going to crack jobs in the next coming months. Okay. So you can take the screenshot of either my class, like I am teaching, right? Or anything which you feel that it's important, or you can take the screenshot of this. Okay. Go to the LinkedIn and you can create a post. You can tell to your friends that, boss, I have learned something today. I have learned something which is very much important. You can put anything. You can put with my picture, right? This one. And you can tag me. You have to tell at my name. That's it. And you can give our YouTube channel link also on the fee on the meeting. And you can tell them that today I learned that every organization uses the tech stack and we call it like universal stack. I'm sharing my screen, Raju. Okay. Clear, everyone? How many of you are going to do this? Post it, and I am going to acknowledge you guys. Yes, do it. Do it. It's very important. And you keep on creating content. You keep on sharing your knowledge. You tag me in every post and I will acknowledge you. If I acknowledge you, your post will be going to my followers, my family, my friends, right? That will be very helpful for you. Clear? So let's go ahead and let's see some more things. Guys, till now you understood how a CI/CD works. What are the tools? Now on the left-hand side, you designed this, right? On the right-hand side page, let's write some code for you. Please, all of you write some code with me, okay? On the right-hand side of book, please write down these things. Shall we start? Shall I write small code? Okay, Raja is telling Bhaiya. Okay, Raja, can you again copy paste that message? Can you again copy paste that message and put it so that everyone see? Rajkumar. Yes. Oh, why again host and panelist? 1 second. Okay, now you do. Now you again do the same thing. Copy paste. Hit. Just put it again. Put the message again. I just want to. Okay, Hindi में type कर दिया इसने. Okay, so basically in English, he posted this to us. He is telling that he posted on LinkedIn about the anything, any content. I think probably our post itself, and it got 5,000 people have seen that post. Okay, and tomorrow you tell me how many impressions on your post was. Okay, so there will be impressions. How many people have seen your post? 5,000 people across world have seen your post. Okay, so Purna Rao Vemula is telling 180 is very less. You have to create in such a way that people like. I got 120 plus likes. Okay, beautiful. I took that post from your post. Okay, that's great. Okay, so start creating content which will help you to grow. As many people see your post, you are going to become like a person to them. You are going to become an important person to them. Okay. Right. So all of you on the right hand side, please write down these things. The number one, Jenkins file. The number two, Docker file. Okay. We will write little bit of small code now. Number three, Kubernetes file. Number four, okay, Prometheus file. Number five. Any other files do you remember apart from this? Ansible file. Okay. Anything else? Terraform file. Beautiful. Anything else? Yes, Terraform I have written. Anything else? Shell script. Okay. Python. Okay. Okay, fine. Now, please write down, all of you. The Jenkins file is called Groovy. The Docker file is called YAML. The Kubernetes file is called YAML. The Prometheus file is called YAML. The Ansible file is called YAML. The Terraform file is called? What is Terraform file called? Any idea? HCL file. Basically, it's a language. Okay. Shell script, shell file. You can call it like this. Python code, Python file. Okay. Okay. Guys, what I am doing in today's class is basically I am trying to make your brain understand that in order to get a job, you need to know these things. Very, very important. Are you clear what I am telling? In order to get a job, I am telling what you should know. These all are mandatory. So whoever has written this on your notebook, please write down a 5-star on the page, top page. Very much important. Okay. Right. Shall I start coding now? Yes, you understood, right? What code is important for us? Shall we start the code part? Yes, beautiful. Shall we start it? Ready? How many of you are ready? People on YouTube. I'm going to now tell about all the code. Very simple, very easy way. I will tell you how you can remember the code. Yes, Shall we do that? HCL is ASIC Corp language. Yes. Yes, Mohit. Josh is high. Beautiful. Beautiful. Thanks a lot. Let's start with which code you want to start with. You select. Okay, Praveen, tell me about this code. In very simple manner, in your brain, I will feed that code. And you don't need to buy heart also. You don't need to buy heart. Trust me. Trust me. Which code you want me to first start with? People on YouTube. Ready, boss. Guru, actually, this Zoom, right? It's a website Zoom. So I will not have the access to share that. It's a unique thing for every user. Right? So I have streamed from there. So sorry. But what I can do is next stream. I was waiting for you actually, Guru. Okay. Yesterday I did a stream. I was waiting for you. Maybe you might be busy on something. So I missed it. But yeah, next stream, if I'm doing on LinkedIn, it will be. So definitely I would love to talk with you. Okay. Right. Let's start with Python code. Okay. People will get a little bit afraid now. Okay. We will take a simple code. Which one? Jenkins? Okay. Beautiful. So all of you see here, you have Java code. Okay. You are converting this Java code via CI/CD pipeline as jar, then to image, then to container. Please write down everything on your right-hand side of notes. Okay. Container and then pod. Clear? With the help of CI/CD, you are converting your Java code into this. Make sense? And in the process of converting your code to pod, all these files play an important role. Are you able to understand? The pod is ultimate for us in any organization. And in order to do that, this all code are used. How many of you agree? If you understand this logic, you will understand that all the code is important for us. Pod is nothing but, okay, let me tell you, you guys are asking, so I will just elaborate what is pod in a little bit of shortcut. Please try to understand. In 2009-10, the applications were deployed on on-premise server. Do you agree with me? Right? 2009-10. Okay. Then came 2012 to 2015-16. People started using the containers. Slowly, the Docker came into picture. Right? 2018-20, people started using Kubernetes on top of Docker. So the Java application which you are seeing is on-premise. Then came the Docker era. And then came the Kubernetes era. Do you guys agree with me? See, whatever I'm telling with my experience only. Okay. And you should be able to understand, oh, okay, this is how the things are there. Now you understood what is pod? This is pod. Do you understand? No, not group of containers, Ram. That's wrong. Okay. A single container, just a wrapper over container. So you have a container with you. There are some things in the container. The pod is just a wrapper. Everyone understood this logic? Yes or no? Yes, chocolate. Okay, beautiful. Consider this as a chocolate. and this as a wrapper of chocolate to just prevent it. Meaning of wrapper, to secure, to make it secure. Clear? Okay, beautiful. Now tell me, okay, let me see. Okay. Here, good. Repeat, boss. This is very simple, yaar. Shashwat Rishi. You have a chocolate? Chocolate. Yes. Let's say like the chocolate has some nuts in it. So I would say nut as my application, the chocolate as a Docker, and the wrapper as the Kubernetes. Is it clear? What is the nomenclature? Right? It makes simple for you to understand. Okay, that's how the things are. Shashwat, clear? Brother, good. Beautiful. All are clear with whatever we have discussed? Okay. How many of you clear? Everyone happy till now? Happy everyone? Okay, good. So before we start the code, okay, I am trying to understand how many of you have joined batch 11 and tell me these sessions, are you able to understand? Yes or no? Have you joined batch 11? Yes. Are you understanding the sessions? Yes, everyone. Beautiful. Okay, I see little bit no. Reshma, you have joined. Okay, these all are prerequisites for batch 11. You will able to understand batch 11 is completely different topics and stories. Okay, batch 11 is very different topics and stories. The complete story will be changed in batch 11. Okay, so these all are prerequisites. You have completed. Are you able to understand this batch? Everyone able to practicing in batch 11, right? Tomorrow also we will do a project. But let me tell you, okay, yes, understood. Good. After you see here batch 11, let me tell you, because few of you are messaging when is the batch 11 going to start. So I am going to tell right now to everyone, please see here, guys. The batch 11 complete story will be different. Okay. It will be very much important if you are a fresher, right? If you are a domain change, if you are a newbie. Now, for your information, we have launched this batch on Friday. Okay. So those who have enrolled, right? How many of you have enrolled, by the way? You guys have enrolled? How many of you are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Right. So let me tell you guys, whoever has enrolled, good. You have 6 more seats to get filled. And by today, 9 p.m., this coupon code is going to change again. Okay, the price will be increased. Now, let me tell you, if you are interested, okay, I'm sure for 6 people, I will wait for 5 minutes. The first 5 minutes, 6 people, those who are interested to join with me, the classes are starting from 3rd week. It's just like 15 to 20 days we have. And you are going to get all the projects from my company, from Walmart. Okay. You are going to get doubts clearing session. You are going to get 30 assignments, which are all real time taken from companies. Okay. You are going to get downloadable resources. Every resource will be downloadable. You will get class recordings, and these are weekend sessions. All are weekend sessions. Not only this, you will get my Infosys resume, my Walmart resume, my Verizon resume, 400 interview questions, everything, mock interviews. 1-to-1 we will sit and we will complete your mock interview, right? For 4,999, for 4,999, right? You can search anywhere in your locality. If you get this kind of teachings, If you get these kind of mentorship, you can join there, no issues. I'm waiting for 6 people. Batch is starting from, you can say like March 3rd or 4th week, in between that. Okay. Yes, it will start from March 3rd or 4th week. In between that, it will start. Once it starts, before that only you will receive WhatsApp messages, and you will also receive the email notifications. Okay. As soon as we roll out the Zoom meetings, you will get everything. Okay. Limited seats batch. I am just waiting for 6 people. It's only on weekends, and weekday, one day it will be there. Doubts clearing session will be there. Okay. So tell me who will be the 6 people. I am going to wait for them. Yes. Yes. The batch 11 link I have shared here in the YouTube also. And I am going to pin that. Okay. Only for 6 people. And once the 6 people in the class itself, they register, you will see the coupon code getting changed, guys. Okay. So we are going to pin that. I'm just giving 5 minutes for you guys. If you love my teaching, if you believe me, if you understand how much hard work I do, right? You can definitely understand the things. Okay. So I will wait for only 6 people. If anyone is interested, not only this, if you see the placement stories, beautiful placements we have got. Romania, Microsoft Romania, batch 9 student, support to DevOps, 2 years in bench to Deloitte, whatnot, how the students are studying under us, right? Amount is very much less. And I'm going to tell you the confidence I have in cracking 30 to 40 companies I'm going to give you. Okay. And not only that, the teaching will be completely different. You are seeing in the free session, the teaching is completely different. Okay. In the paid, completely different. So you need to understand it's kind of a job oriented program. Okay. And if you are a fresher, if you are an experienced, everyone can join. Okay. So who will be the 6 people? You can give your names. Nasreen, I will tell in a little bit of time, but let me complete it. 6 people, you can give your name and I will wait for you. Okay. And then we will do the code part. Only 6 people. 6 people. Course duration 2 to 3 months. Bonta Praneeth Kumar. So March, April, May. It will run until May end or June. Okay. It will go till June mostly. Okay. So freshers, those who are in 3rd year, 2nd year, 4th year, because you will have campus placements, you can keep our projects and you can understand. Okay. Right. And it will be very beautiful when you sit in the interview. The confidence that I'm going to give you is immense for 4999. Okay. How you need to crack what you have to the interviewer to make him so that gives you offer, right? Experienced people, what code you need to know, what assignments you need to do, what chance you need to do, right? It will be very, very much important. Okay. 6 people, those who are enrolling, I will tell you from basics to advanced. You can see how the placements are there, how people are grabbing the offers, what people are telling about us in LinkedIn, Morgan Stanley, what people have to tell by placements with Flipkart. If you see here, I will show you a few students' names. You can talk with them if I'm telling wrong, like Praveen is telling lie. You can search. Okay. Nayan Chafle. Where is he? Chafle. Okay, my network is low. Okay, came. So guys, do you see Flipkart? How many of you see Flipkart here? Yes or no? Bhai log, are you guys seeing Flipkart? At least tell me yes or no, so that I can yes, you are seeing Flipkart. Now, do you see here Flipkart and see Mac? You agree? Okay. So like that, you can search with any name. I can show you this guy name also, but I usually don't talk on the go. Okay. I don't reveal any names. Whoever gets offers, we will keep with ourselves only. Okay. So if anyone is enrolling, please tell me your name. Just I will wait for 5 minutes. Time is now 7:15. Till 7:20, I am giving you a chance, right? Only 6 people. If you are interested, you can enroll yourself, right? And you can let me know. Okay. Only for 6 people, I'm waiting. No prerequisites. You are able to understand the basics from this class. Then definitely in batch 11, you are going to understand everything. Yes. Complete by May end. See, March, April, May. Yes, it will complete by May end. Mostly May end. Yes. Okay. So definitely it will complete by May end. Okay, again, once the price is changing, please don't request us for the price decrease, guys. You know, for 4,999, what anyone can offer you. Okay, I'm offering you mentorship, and I forgot to tell you guys, if anyone is interested to opt for dedicated one-to-one mentorship, let's say you want to sit with me, you want to talk with me, then you can take the one-to-one mentorship. If you feel that you want to take the recorded videos of batch 10, you can take that. Okay. It's a one-time opportunity. With the combo pack only you can take. Timings on weekends, morning batch, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. IST, 3 hours class. Only I will be teaching. No one will be there. Okay. So guys, 6 people, once you are enrolling, please tell me your name. Please tell me your name. Okay. Rajesh has enrolled. Great. Rajesh has enrolled. What about others? Guys, only 6 people I'm waiting for you. Okay. Okay. Meanwhile, if you have any queries, no, Abhilash, once you register batch 11, then only you will be eligible for one-to-one. Okay. Okay. You can talk with any of our students. Yes, yes. Abhilash, if you have registered, you have to wait until the batch starts. And once it starts, you will be able to get all the things. Okay. Okay. Rajesh has registered. So 5 people, this coupon code is valid. If you see, once the 5 people slots are filled, okay. Okay, Rajan, uh, I think your friend has already mailed. Okay, one-to-one is not applicable. If you have missed that, it means you cannot get it. Okay, so it's like a combo if you are taking. Okay, so no worries. Still, all the job portals, all the placements portals, everything I will show you. Remote opportunities, how I have cracked jobs, how I apply for jobs, everything I'm going to tell you in batch 11. Okay. So you are with me today. For next 3 months, you will be with me. Okay. So you can understand like a pattern of basics, advanced to job program. Okay. So that's how I will prepare you with my confidence. Okay. If anyone is enrolling, please let me know your name so that I can minus the numbers and we will go into the class. Great, 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 great. Okay. Any questions, any queries meanwhile? Okay. Anyone who is enrolling, guys? Yes, Rupali is enrolling. What about others? Okay, I'm looking for 5 people. Rajesh has already enrolled. I will be okay. So Mohammed, if you are enrolling, you can check the price and enroll accordingly. Okay. Right. Tejashwani to Mohammed Arif. Mohammed Arif today. I'm talking about now. Now. Okay. So Mohammed Arif, I'm removing your name as of now. Rajan, that's how the class is. You don't get distracted. Okay. So you can watch. Okay. Lakshman enroll. Okay. 3 people. What about others? Guys, again, I am telling, if you are getting anything in 4,999, if you go to institutes, minimum 25,000 rupees they will charge. Okay. We have kept for you, not 12,999, not 7,999, not 6,999, hardly your one dress cost. Okay, one dress cost, right? Everything, Mohit, everything. Okay, so you are asking questions. I would request just 1 minute of time, go over the website and check. Timings, morning 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. IST, Saturday, Sunday. Yes, other charge 60,000. I know. 60,000, 30,000. Minimum DevOps course with a person who has this many companies. You can check LinkedIn also. I will show you my jobs. How many jobs I have applied in last few months. See my LinkedIn. Okay. If you don't believe, see my LinkedIn. Oh, why? What happened? No, Rupali, you have to purchase as a package only. Okay. Once you are purchasing means you have to purchase one time. Anything, one-to-one mentorship or batch 10 recorded videos, it's a combination. Okay. It will not come again separately. So I said that same to the Ranga or someone who has asked. Akhila Algarsra can get a website. Okay. So everyone, those who are enrolling for batch 11, this is the place where you have to log in. Okay. And you have to do labs with me. Okay. So these are the labs. You have to complete the company's interview question, which will be like this. Company-wise interview questions you have to complete. Okay. Like Adobe, Amazon. So different kinds of company interview questions will be there, which we will see once you join the batch 11. Clear, Akila? So where are you from? Your name is different. Akila Al-Ghasra. Okay. So yes, batch 11 recordings will be there. Bahrain? That's great. Thanks a lot. Okay. Right. So I'm waiting for 5 more people. So if anyone wants to enroll, you can enroll. Meanwhile, I will show you my LinkedIn job section. Okay. So this course is okay. So if you want to understand in that way, you can understand, you can leave. Okay. So that's up to you. Nick Shepa, whatever you want to understand. So I think you joined new, so you can leave. Okay. Session, no issues. I have enrolled Akramullah. Great. Thanks a lot. Is there any classroom training? No, offline training is not there. Okay. Only one time, Abhilash. Okay, one time. So all of you see here, I'll show you some jobs section here, how you can actually hunt for jobs. So you can see here, see as of now, okay, I'll first show you the job section here, my jobs. Okay, applied jobs I will show you. So you can see here, every time when I start the batch, I will do the job search, okay, to collect the interview questions. So batch 10, I have shared my interview questions. Batch 11, I will share again you all the interview questions. So you can see here, different companies, different things. Okay. So all those things we will be sharing and we will be updating you. Clear? Yes, recordings will be given. No issues with recording. Yes. Okay, 4 more people. Guys, we are wasting time, I think. I am requesting if you are enrolling, you can enroll quickly. And so that, okay. Okay, 4 more people. ठीक है, जिसको जो बोलना है भाई देख लो, चाहिए तो देखो, नहीं चाहिए तो it's your wish. Okay, and you can check YouTube channel if you feel that yeah, for 1-2 hours we are talking right on live, there should be something, right? You can understand. So I'm waiting for 4 people. If anyone is interested, you can enroll and then we will discuss some more things. Okay, and I am again telling batch 11 is job oriented. So when we talk about job oriented, that all the things that is needed for you to get a job will be in. So you can see here all the projects, whatever you are seeing here will be in the batch 11. Okay. Okay, someone is asking enroll links, so I'm sharing them. Yes, Preeti, you can go with batch 10 also if you want to get that. Azure and AWS, both we will cover. Okay, Azure and AWS, both we will cover. Thanks, Rupali. Great. 3 more people. Guys, let's go. Anyone who is enrolling, or we can start with the code part. It's already 7:26. We can wait for 4 more minutes for you. And let me write it here. 7:30 p.m. We will start the code part. Okay, we will start code part. Okay. Just I'm giving last few minutes for you. Okay, 4 people. Only 4 people I'm waiting. So I'm giving the links to you. Enroll here. Last 4 people we will be waiting. Okay, I'm sharing this batch link for you. Final call. Okay, this will be final call and price will be changed again. Okay, if you like my classes, then you can enroll. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I'm giving this time to you. Go ahead, guys. Last 4 minutes you can do. Course starts from 3rd or 4th week, as stated in the website. Okay. Okay. Anyone who is enrolling, you can give your name. Last 4 people. Anyone who is thinking that, okay, Praveen, I will enroll. I will be with you. I'll be learning with you. Anyone from this live class, from the Zoom? Akila. Okay, sure. I'm talking about now. If you are doing now, I can go ahead, right? Slots are filled. Then I can start the class with code part. Okay. And it will be amazing coding. You will understand how easy I will make for you the coding. In next 30 minutes, you will understand. Okay. Anyone else who is enrolling, guys? Anyone else? Hi, Praveen. I have already enrolled. I have church in Sundays. So, no issues. You will get the recordings, right? You will get the recordings, so no need to worry. Right. So let's start with the code part, guys. Those who are enrolling, you can enroll, but let me start the code part. So very important. I will go with the first code. That is your Jenkinsfile code. Okay. Very, very much important. Very simple part. And you will be able to understand, okay, this is very much simple. Okay. So you can understand this Jenkins file as heart of Jenkins tool. Okay. Okay. So let's do some code part and we will try to understand whatever the pipeline that you are seeing here is made with the help of this file only. Okay, if you understand that logic, that will be very easy for you. Whatever you are seeing, this Jenkins file or the pipeline which you are seeing can be only done with the help of this file. So please write down in your note, Jenkins file and the code part I'm going to write. Please remember this. Okay. Now, what have you seen? What have you understood by seeing this? See, tell me, am I referring any slides? Am I referring any video? Whenever I am teaching, if you are seeing that, whatever I have used in my experience, I always remember the skeleton part. So in interview, you should remember the skeleton part. Even though you are not writing the code, even though you don't know the logic, at least if you write the first few things, interviewer will be happy. Do you agree with me? How many of you don't know this, by the way? You don't remember or you don't know? You don't know? Correct? You don't know? Now you see, whenever you are going to the interview, see this notes, whichever I am telling. Okay? Pipeline, agent, parameters, environment, stages, stage. Under the stage, what you have to execute in a stage, it will be there. Okay. Now, please write down. This is the start of pipeline. It means whenever you see a pipeline starting, the name will be there. Agent, it is called a node, or it is called a server, or it is called an agent. Okay. Parameters, input, environment variables, stages. This is like the boxes which you will see. Stage, each box. Script, inside this box, what is the code you have to write? If you are clear, I will tell you the inside code also, how to remember. Please write down this. Then I will tell you. Everything will be Zoom only. Okay. Right. If you have written this, let me know. I will tell you the next steps. How to remember the code. Done? Okay, beautiful. Now, everyone see this script part. Are you seeing this script part? All of you? Yes. Okay. In the script part, please try to understand. You have to write the Python code or shell code or Terraform code or Docker file or anything in this part. Now, why I told you this thing? You understood, guys? Because everything is linked with this script part. All of you clear? You have to write either Python, Shell, Docker, Kubernetes, Ansible, whatever you want to have your Jenkins to be done. Everything you have to do in the script part. Is it clear, everyone? In the class, all of you are able to understand, guys? People on YouTube, are you able to understand? We are discussing. Yes? Clear, everyone? Right. Now, if you are clear, let's try to understand some things. Now, stages is plural, correct? Stage is singular, correct? So you need to understand under stages, right? The skeleton will be like this. Stages, you open the bracket, stage 1, Git. Okay, you open it, close it. Stage 2, let's say Maven. Open it, close it. Are you able to understand? Correct? Other stages, as many stage you can create, singular. And this will form the pipeline. So let's say Git. This is 2, Maven. This is 3, Docker. Now you understood, everyone, how these things are worked. Yes? Yes or no? Clear? Okay, beautiful. Now let's see a sample Jenkins file. Okay. Let's ask this, a sample Jenkins file used in Zomato. All of you see here. Okay, this is beautiful. Why I can't provide a specific Jenkins file used by Zomato. All of you see here. Please see here. Do you see whatever I have told you? Is it the same? Whatever you are seeing? Yes. Do you agree with me? See here, clearly see this. Clearly see this, guys. Clear? Pipeline, agent, any environment, stages. Let me again do a refresh. So it didn't give the proper one. Let me write like this so that it gives the full file. Okay. Okay. Now all of you see here, under script, what it is having. Is it having a shell script here? Shell, 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 shell. Now you tell me, suppose I want to have Python, like I have said, I can have Python also. Yes, I can have obviously Python also. Obviously, if I want to have a Docker file, irrespective of this, I can have Docker file also, right? Anything you want to have it here, you can make it. And this is a beautiful example which you can write down in your notebook. Okay. So pipeline, agent, any environment, stages, stage, steps. Okay. And do you see here notification? Do you see everything is matching with our first flow? Notify. Yes or no? Declarative. This is a declarative. Kishore. This is a declarative. Okay. Yes. Notify. Where we are notifying the things? On the Slack. Correct? Okay. People on YouTube, are you clear with this Jenkins file? If you are in the class, are you clear with this Jenkins file? We will not go inside depth. Okay. In batch level, we will discuss. But as of now, you try to understand that in every stage, there is some steps written. In every step, there is some code there. This is very simple Jenkins file. In batch 11, we will do a little bit complex Jenkins files, okay? Where I will explain you the code part also inside this. Clear? Okay? Right. If you have understood about Jenkins file, now you tell me, if I am going to ask you in the interview, will you be able to answer me? Yes or no? How many of you? Like, if you are a fresher, will you be properly able to explain the interviewer? Yes? Everyone? If I am going to ask you, how many of you can tell? Okay, boss, I got the confidence. I can definitely tell in the interview. You can explain. That's what I'm asking. How many of you can explain confidently that, boss? Yes, I can definitely tell. Everyone? What about others? Yes, everyone tell. Right. Beautiful. Okay, Vignan is telling now I got the idea. How many of you learned today first time and confidence? Can you tell me? Like you learned about this today, but you are confident that, okay, boss, at least I will explain him. He will be happy. How many of you are there? Yes. Okay, good, good. Good. First time. Okay, Akansha is telling fine. Confident. What about others? Awesome. Awesome. Confident. Refresher for me. Thanks a lot for high level explanation. First time. Good. Great. Okay. Right. Confident. Already know what you teach. Okay, good. Sai, you are from right. You are joining everywhere. Yeah, batch 8. So you should be always knowing this. You should know. Right. Good, good. Sujata, why you are joining? Sujata, are you the Sujata from batch 7? If I'm not wrong. Yeah. Batch 11. Oh, you are a different Sujata. Oh, sorry, sorry. Okay, okay, fine, fine. Okay. So, you know, right? One more Sujata we have. Okay. I remember everything. So I was talking about this Sujata. Her name is also Sujata D. Okay. So this Sujata, who is from batch 7, this Sujata. Okay. She got laid off, but she got job recently. Okay. With 20 LPA, 5 offer letters from batch 7. You can check this video also if you want. Great. Now, shall we see the second part of the code? Yeah. Shall we see? Yes. Shall we see a, okay, Python, it will be difficult for you. Which code we will see? You tell me. Shall we see one more Jenkins file? Some example we will see. Interview questions? You want Jenkins interview questions? Yeah, you want Jenkins? Okay. So what I can do is basically, let me tell you. Okay. So today class will be completed, right? Once it is completed, I will attach Jenkins interview questions and answers for you. And one sample Jenkins file I will attach for you. Clear? One sample Jenkins file, which will be easy for you in understanding things. Okay, clear? Now, if you want depth, let's say, yeah, Julaha, Zenab. Yes, I am able to see. So if you want more advanced files, let's say like anyone is interested to have more advanced files, right? So what I can do is I can add 2, 3 scenarios for you in the sample Jenkins file, and you can see that. Clear? No, Terraform is completely a separate topic. Okay, it will take 3 hours, then let's say like 30 minutes or 15 minutes. Okay. So all of you see here, we started from this. Okay. Okay. Now you tell me how many of you have crossed 3 pages in notebook? Have you completely filled the 3 pages of notebook of yours from this class? Jenkins interview questions and answers will be attached in the website. Okay. How you have joined the class, it will be in the same way. Okay. 3 pages you have completed. Good. So 7 pages. Okay, good. Okay. How many of you are completing 20 pages till now? All the classes. 20 pages. Yes. 20. Good. Okay. 17. Okay. 36. Right. So what I'm going to tell you is I will be attaching these scenarios, right? So what you have to do is love you. Okay. Thanks a lot, guys. Love you so much. What you have to do is write the scenarios also in the notebook. Is it clear? Okay. So whatever the scenarios I'm going to give you, start from the left-hand side, right-hand side, write it in the notebook. So whenever you are going to the interview, you can just refresh it and go to the interview. Make sense? Everyone? Clear? Right. So with this, and interview questions are also there. So write down some interview questions and answers, which you probably have never seen or heard or don't know. Okay. Yes, Krunal. Okay. In here, you will see like braces I've just given like that. But in real time, all the braces, syntax, the spaces, everything is important, or else you will get an error. Okay. Okay. Interview questions and answers are also important for you. Right. Okay. So all of you have. Okay. Mohammed Ahmed is telling certainty content first time so deep in DevOps for. Okay. So my logic is very simple. If you are joining for free or paid, I have to do justice for you. At the same time, if you see, I'm also doing the batch 11 talks in between. Okay. So you need to understand how I teach. If you like this class, you will be in batch 11. If you don't like this class, you will not be in this live session also. That's what my belief is. Now you guys are from all over the world watching me, from Canada, Bahrain, USA, Europe. You guys are from all over the world watching me right now in this class. And I'm very much happy that you guys are here with me. Okay. And I will be definitely helping you in the next few months to get a job soon. Okay. That will be my assurance to you all. And if you are joining batch 11, that is, you can take it to the next level. Yes. My documents helped you, Kishore. Thanks a lot. Okay. Right. So I hope that you all have completed the last 2 classes. And did you completed the Linux hands-on document, guys, which has been attached in the website? Everyone? Yes. Okay, good. Okay. Thanks a lot for you. Okay, now you can take any of the screenshots from today's class. Okay, I will just keep slide by slide for you like this. Okay, for this session, there will be no slides given to you. So whatever we have discussed in the class, this only you can take it as a screenshot. Okay, so I will just make a little bit small for you. If you want to take the screenshot of this one, you can take it, put it on LinkedIn or anywhere for your reference, or this only you can keep it as a slide in your learning. The second slide, okay. If you have taken the screenshot, I will go to the next one. Yes, Reshma, definitely. Done. Okay, next take the screenshot of this one, which is very, very much important. I will little bit make little bit still little bit. I will make it small. Okay, Prem Sai, wait. I will talk with you. You are you are batch 11, right? I will talk with you. Okay, take the screenshot of this. This is also very important. If you have done, I will go to the next. Done, everyone? Okay, good. And the third thing which we have discussed is, okay, first, second, third. Okay. Please take the screenshot of this also. Very simple Jenkins file, but very, what do you say, like very important. Done? Good. Okay. Now it's time to talk with the batch 11 enrolled students. Okay. So if anyone is here who has enrolled for batch 11, Prem Sai, yes, you are there. You can, I'm giving you, yes, you can go ahead and talk. Yes, Jen, you want? Okay. Ranjan or Rajan? Rajan. Okay, go ahead, guys. And meanwhile, if anyone wants to still enroll, 4 people left, right? Yes, Rajan, go ahead, and anyone, if you want to talk.
Hi, Praveen.
Hey, hi.
Yeah,
People tell you are a batch of 3 people, right? Who has joined.
yeah. We are friends. We joined here,
Mhm.
and myself and one more, two more are Ramnath and one more Chandrasekhar.
Mhm.
We all group
Mhm.
joined here. We all here joined. So we started to see that your session. It looks like very impressive, and we feel that, especially myself, I feel that I can learn something, and that would help for the growth.
Sure,
So
sure, definitely.
yeah, I see that you are giving that everything that from the basic. That is a very important thing for, because we guys are uh, out of that. I mean, this coming from that a different background, like
Mhm.
from basically from we 3 all from the infra background.
Okay.
So we don't have that much knowledge and touched on that other codings and all other stuffs and all right. So that's what we very much eager to learn this thing.
Sure, sure. Thanks a lot. Thanks a
Yeah,
lot.
yeah. We also already referred some more folks as well from our colleagues and other
Correct.
friends also.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah,
Sure.
and one more thing. Sorry to taking
No,
one
no,
more
no.
time.
Go
In
ahead,
the
go ahead.
middle, see, it looks like I also emailed and right when last time when
Many of
enrolling.
you emailed that the flooded, like your
Yeah,
team,
yeah,
like
I'll tell you. I understood. I understood. I know that you do not be able to see all the things. No, that last time when I was trying to enroll that batch 11, looks like some they do some interferences in the website, maybe internet or some things. When I was trying to include with that one,
Hmm.
not sure how it was got missed.
Okay.
So
So
that is
don't
what I
worry.
was requesting you
No, I
to.
understand. I
Yeah.
understand. Actually, that is a one-time purchase. Okay. So one-to-one, what happens, right? If you take one-to-one, automatically website gives us the list of all the people those who have taken one-to-one. But don't worry, once the batch starts, we can plan it accordingly. Okay.
Okay.
As
Then
of now, it's not possible. Okay.
okay, no problem. If you are, that means we two are here from the group.
Sure.
So if you are helping that way, that would be good. Let's see. Thanks.
No
Thanks.
worries.
Bye. We'll
No
meet you.
worries. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Sure. Sure. Soon. Yeah. Thank you. Okay. Next, who else is there? Uh, Guys, give your names in the chat so that I can allow. Batch 11. Okay, Rupali. Okay. Okay, go ahead, Rupali. Then Rajendra. Go ahead. You are on mute. Okay, I have asked you to unmute yourself. Go
Is
ahead.
it audible?
Yes, it's
Yeah.
audible.
Hi, Praveen. Yeah, hi. Good evening. Actually, I
Mhm.
wanted to know, I'm not into the coding at all. So as someone said, I also have a fear about the coding. So I just wanted to know in batch 11, will I be able to learn about basic coding or how it is? I just
So
had fear about that. Otherwise, from last week, I am getting each and every concept you are telling us. But I am just having fear that if I fail in coding, then will it
how
be?
many years of experience you have?
I have 10 years of experience,
Okay.
but I never been into coding.
Okay, no issues. So basically what we will do is we will take scenarios. So
Okay.
when I mean about scenarios, the way you have seen Jenkins file in the coding also, I have
Mhm.
like 10 to 30, 40 scenarios. In
Okay.
Python, some scenarios are there, which will be mostly asked in the interviews. So that I
Okay.
will give you as a cheat sheet, the code list, everything like a package, and
Mhm.
do some hands-on in the class, which will help you. Okay, if some automation is given, you have to do in this way. That's how I make sure. Uh,
Okay.
so that is one thing. DSA, if people ask, then mandatory thing is like we focus on this questions, which anyways, I will be telling like for any company, let's say these companies, if you are targeting,
Mhm.
because product and service is completely different. So
Yeah.
something you have to do in the question wise in the lead code or hacker run, this completely different. So according to the companies, you put efforts. That's how I will be talking about.
Okay. Maybe one last query. Before starting for batch 11, do we need to have AWS account or Azure account?
I will give that in the class. I will tell you
Okay.
all the steps in the class. So don't do anything like
Fine. No problem. Thank you,
that.
Praveen.
Okay.
That's it
Thank you.
from my end.
Yeah.
Thank
Thank you. Vemula, go ahead. Yeah.
Hello,
Vemula, hey, go ahead. Yeah.
Praveen bro.
Yes.
Uh, I completed BTech 2016
Hmm.
from EC branch.
Hmm.
So I have currently 5 years of experience with non-IT field.
Okay.
That is a medical building, healthcare, US healthcare side.
Okay.
Okay, I already learned GCP and AWS, but they are giving very basic knowledge.
Hmm.
I also follow Abhishek Vermala and you in YouTube
you.
channel for last 1 year.
We all are friends. Okay. Go ahead. Yeah.
Yeah,
So you already took some course somewhere?
yeah, GCP I already learned, bro. But they are giving very basic knowledge, and I am not cracking the interviews. Okay,
Tell me, what's your doubt?
Sir,
so
good evening, sir.
Hey, who is? Wait,
Sir, I
wait.
am Kodeti Venkateshwaramma.
Okay, 1 second. I will complete talking with Gopal and then I will talk with you. Okay.
Okay,
bro,
sir.
I also emailed you for this regarding this, but you seen or not seen, I don't know.
No, you tell your question. One line question, I will reply.
So this is non. I am currently working in non-IT field, US
Correct.
healthcare field. So
Correct.
as a fresher, they will not take because my BTech is completed in 2016.
Hmm.
So now I want to move in DevOps side. I can as a fresher or experienced person.
As an experienced, because you have a PF.
Yeah, I have PF and
Correct.
all.
Correct. So you will be an experienced person only. Only thing is, you have to create a good resume. You have to work on all the things that are needed for you to crack the interview. That's very important. So once you are doing that, I think you can start your job search, parallelly apply some companies, parallelly learn, and try to understand. Because you have done a BTech, you are into a
Yes,
non-IT. And what's your role in offer letter?
this is AR calling, bro. That is
AR calling. The role
yes,
itself is given like that.
yes.
Okay. So it's completely non-IT then.
Yes, non-IT, bro.
Okay. So I
I
think
also your
that,
batch, bro. I also
that
done. You also completed in BTech 2016, right?
correct. I also completed BTech 2016.
Same
But
branch.
thing is, your role is AR, right? So
AR calling.
what we can do is one thing we can do. you apply for jobs as a DevOps engineer, until and unless you are getting selected in the company, don't tell you are a AR calling, your role is AR calling or something like that. You give a chance, right? Until HR comes back to you, AR, you are a non-IT. You don't tell to them. Meanwhile, what happens? You will have an experience of giving an interview. You will see like how you are standing there. And maybe then we can discuss like how the things are working. Okay.
Okay. And in resume, how can we mention?
I will tell you. I will tell you. So if you see all the things in the batch 11, whatever the projects that we will do in the class, I'm going to give you a separate documents. Okay. So how you can keep it. So that's how it's like job responsibilities, roles and responsibilities, and you can keep it in the resume. Clear?
Okay. Yes.
Okay, sure. Venkateshwaramma, just give me 1
Yes,
second.
sir.
Okay. I'll talk with you just 1 second.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead, Venkateshwaramma. Yes.
Hello, sir.
Yes, go ahead.
I'm Sudeti Venkateshwarama. So actually,
Yes.
I completed my basic computers in 2018.
Okay.
So after that, I tried for government jobs. So I didn't get that. I'm unable to clearing that mains. So I choose to shift into IT field. From my friends' reference, I joined as a IT support engineer, like remote desktop. I'm working
Correct.
till 1.5 years. I have already explained that. So
Okay.
I'm before that I have taken DevOps course also. But due to
From
the year gap for three years, I think so. They
okay.
are not offering to me to enter, and also I haven't do any project. So I have to do after completion of your projects. I have to do myself one project. Is it possible, sir?
So you are not doing job right now.
Um, as a present, I'm doing remote desktop support engineer.
Okay. And how many years of experience you have?
1.5.
Okay, only 1.5 remote. And what is your offer letter title?
Title only a remote desktop engineer, sir.
Oh, okay, fine. And you have a PF?
No, sir. I have.
You don't have PF. Okay. So what you can do is basically, see, you are working somewhere and PF is not there, right? So you can
Yes.
get some low level and mid-level companies. So what will happen is the other company should accept your no PF thing. Very important as of now, PF is very important. Okay. So what you
Yes.
can do, you can have batch 11 projects with you. You can
Okay.
keep that in your resume. And for 1.5 years, you can tell to them that, okay, you have worked in your role was desktop engineer, but you have worked as a DevOps engineer. But I am little bit doubtful because PF is not there. So little bit we have to think about that also.
Previous company it is not there. They said that we will create after completion of 6 months. So
Okay.
before getting this, I think after before completion of this course, they might able to create PF.
Okay. So I'm not sure like what you guys have talked with them, but what I am telling is if
So
you're
without PF also can
joining batch 11, let's say you are joining, you can keep our. No, that's difficult. See, that's why I told you if you apply for less companies like mid or lower mid companies, then they will accept it.
I can accept that low level companies also. I
Okay.
don't want to that. I have to join as a DevOps engineer as that's enough.
Hmm. Then that's what I'm telling. So you keep projects, you look out for
Okay, sir.
DevOps opportunities itself.
Okay.
Okay. Sure. Thank
So,
you.
and
Yeah.
I
Thank
don't
you.
know how to create the today. It is able to understanding, but without doing the practical knowledge, I'm not able to understanding. This is completely different in Terraform.
Correct. So you are getting the practical knowledge in batch 11, right? I will do the hands-on. You see the practical projects, and then you keep it in resume.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah. So that's what we have discussed.
Hello,
Hey, go ahead, Prem.
bro. Just I'm pursuing like 4-1.
Oh, you're
Which
in 4-1.
yeah.
Okay.
I
One
mentioned,
second. I will
bro.
talk with you. So
Okay.
guys, we have last 3 seats. If anyone is enrolling for batch 11, you can enroll. If you are not interested for batch 11, you can join tomorrow's class. You can drop off from the class. Okay. Those who are not interested for batch 11, those who don't want to continue in batch 11, you can drop off. It's 8. I have taken your attendance. I don't want to keep you wait. But if you have any queries, if you are interested to join batch 11, you can stay in the class and you can go ahead with your enrollments. And I will wait for 3 more people. And then we will change the coupon code and we will wind up this session. Okay. Tomorrow we will do the projects. So join tomorrow's session also. Right. Go ahead, Sai. I'm waiting. Sorry to make you wait. Go ahead.
Yeah, but I just taken a Simply Learn. You know about the Simply Learn platform?
Yeah, I know. What
Yeah,
happened?
I messaged you in Instagram also. It's a huge amount, but
How much amount you paid?
I think it's a 120K.
Okay. And what you got?
I'm not yet completed. Just in February 14th it started.
Oh, okay. So how it is going there?
Yeah, it's okay, well, but I saw on YouTube while practicing, I saw your channel, but
Hmm.
I didn't get before.
Hmm.
Just I'm asking that question that which should I follow? I enrolled in Prime Batch 11 also in Simply Learn also. I'm
Okay,
just
do
a
one.
little bit confusing.
See, simply learn. You are not sure who is going to teach you. Correct.
Yeah.
So leave that. Anyways, you paid the amount. I would request if you can get refund from them, get it's very huge, 1,20,000. And you just, anyways, you join batch 11. You completely focus on this. Okay. With
Okay.
YouTube, with this class, and with batch 11. And how many years of experience you have? You are in
Just 4-1, just BTech
1,
at
right?
4-1. Yeah.
Okay. You apply for on campus, like your college will get a job. If you are not getting, target for off campus opportunities
In
also.
college, no one is getting that cloud or DevOps side, only that Python, C++, that basic stuff. All remote
Correct.
jobs. So,
So that's why I told coding is also important. So like in the sense, like if you are doing coding, it will help you in understanding for a fresher. It's very much important. So as you have told .NET or Java or any language, Python with DevOps is important for a fresher.
okay,
Okay.
but I searched in LinkedIn or so many platforms that so many roles for DevOps and like that any DevOps cloud that jobs are so many available, but no jobs is available for one freshers.
Correct. No, it's not like no jobs are available. Jobs are, but only people, let's say from good colleges, they are taking that positions. Okay, so that's the thing I am telling you. Okay, so coding is needed. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. It was nice talking to you. Okay, so guys, any questions, put it in the chat. And okay, Akhildeep, thank you. Are Shiva, I have missed. What is it? I am from mechanical engineering background, passed out in 2023. Okay. Process executive voice. This is mentioned in my offer. Okay. I am working as a what was your question? So you are a process executive. 8 months only experience you have, right? So don't do anything right now. If you want to learn, you can learn and you can upskill, right? At least 2 years you need to be there in the same position if possible. Okay. Arjun Reddy Badam, I am a YouTube. See, in YouTube, as of now, you cannot talk. Maybe next live, if anything is there, I will tell you. Because Zoom only people can talk. Okay. So Arjun Reddy, if you have questions, You are in Ireland, right? You can put it in the YouTube chat. I will respond to you. Once, Soumyadeep, only once, okay? Once. I have 10 years of experience, need to learn DevOps. Yes. So, Sailesh, you enroll for batch 11, yeah? You are 10 years of experience and Sai. Yes, boss, you can definitely talk. Why not? Okay, go ahead, Sai. Sai, you are having the access.
Hello.
Hey, hi, Sai.
Hey, hi, Praveen.
Hi, how are you?
Actually, yeah, I'm good.
Go ahead.
I have completed my BTech in 2017. Like
Hmm.
I think you're also from my college, Andhra University, Vizag.
Okay, great.
Yeah, I have done BTech and MTech, and after that, I have joined as a quality specialist in Amazon actually.
Okay.
And I am from batch 8, as you know, I guess. Yeah, I have completed all the interview questions what you have placed in that below videos and all. Like I have completed all. Like I didn't start interviews at all. Like I
Why?
want to start now. No, I just want to. I just need that confidence. Like before going to interview, like reading all the interview questions and all. So I am prepared well now. And my only question is that like they'll be asking like what you have done in the work, like what is your daily work, what you do in your previous work. Like I'm not confident in that, like what to tell and all. Like I've done all your projects also.
Why you want to fear on that? See, very simple. If I am your position,
Yeah.
listen how I am going to tell you. Okay. You are my interviewer.
Okay.
Okay. And I will tell you from batch 8 projects. Batch 8, right? You are batch 8.
Yeah, I'm batch 8.
Okay. So listen how I am going to tell you. Okay. You are in Amazon. How many years of experience?
3 years, 3 months.
3 years. Okay. So you can definitely look out for job right now. It's a good opportunity. Okay. So let's see like how an Amazon 2 years experience as a DevOps engineer, you can tell. Okay. Hi, this is Sai. I'm currently working in Amazon as a DevOps engineer with 2 years of experience. And currently I'm working in a payments team where we are handling the CI/CD pipelines, integration of various DevOps tools with Maven, JFrog, Ansible, Docker, Kubernetes. And I am primarily responsible for on-call activities, like whatever the production things happens, that goes via our team itself. We are a 4 to 5 member team, including our manager. And I have done few automations which have really helped the team in going beyond of the time, right? Whatever the time was there, it got reduced. Some of the automations I can tell here is basically one of the thing is like deployment automations, where various kinds of Jenkins files have been modified as a shared library, and we have deployed that. And not only that, I have written some of the Ansible playbooks to fetch the data from various kinds of servers and show it on the email. I've also written some Terraform code, which is actually spinning up the infra in minutes in AWS. Apart from this, I have received 2 awards in Amazon. Also, I have done cross-functional work across teams also, right? So some things you can tell, which is from your current role and which is from your batch 8. Make sense?
Okay. Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
So,
Totally good.
correct. So telling lie. So someone is telling like you are telling lie. Okay. I'm not telling lie because I was in batch 8. I know like how the things are. So you got it, right? So that's how you need to tell.
Yeah,
Okay.
got
So
it.
very simple.
Yeah.
Also, you have to ask cross questions to yourself in front of mirror. If he asks cross question, how to answer them.
Okay, I got it.
That's
Like
very
scenarios,
important.
like what they will
Okay.
be asking us.
Correct. Okay.
Thank you. Also,
Okay.
like
And do the job search quick.
yeah. I already started. Like I started applying like this month only.
Good.
And also, like the previous guy have paid for the some of the website 1 lakh. No, I would actually suggest him only only concentrate on one. That too with this batch 11 thing. Like it will be very systematic, and also like for every video there will be some questions and all, like scenario based questions and all. So I would request everyone, whoever joining the other things, like stick to batch 11 and concentrate on this on step by step, like everyday practice and all. So that's it. Yeah. Thank you, Praveen.
Thanks, Sai. All the best. I would like to see getting job soon. Okay.
Yeah, I will be
So
posting
start the job.
I will be posting on LinkedIn for sure.
Sure. Thanks a lot. We'll wait. Sure.
Thank you,
Thanks.
Praveen. Bye. Thanks.
Okay. That was Sai. So guys, it's almost like 8:15. So anyone who is still enrolling, or you guys can drop off. I will wait for the zero count on the meeting. Okay. If you are enrolling, you can enroll with batch 11 link. Okay. You are enrolling, Gunalan. Okay. I will wait for last 3 seats and then we will update. I will request team to update the coupon code. Okay. Whatever you are seeing this coupon code, it will be changed. Okay. To some other coupon code, price will be increased. Okay. So if you have seen day 1, different price, day 2, day 3. So as the things are going, we will finalize we will change the code. Okay. Sure. We will see again. You can drop off those who have enrolled, and those who don't want to enroll, you guys can drop off. I don't have issues. Those who are enrolling, those who have queries, you can stay back. Okay. Right. Gunalan, I would request you to enroll yourself. Anyone who is enrolling, you can stay back. If are failing, if you have any queries, Shantanu, okay, you can ask your question. Zoom, actually, it's for specific people. So as of now, I cannot share Zoom. But if you have question, you can ask in the YouTube. I'm listening here. I'm there. Okay. Those who don't want to enroll for batch 11, you guys are free to drop off. I don't want to make you wait. I have taken your attendance. Those who are enrolling for batch 11, you can do that. Okay, Hiren, tell me here. Okay, I don't want to now discuss more things about you, with you all. So I'll be very simple and straightforward. Motish, thanks a lot. So is, if in class, if you are interested, I'm going to repeat this again. Okay, I will just wait for 5 more minutes. Time is now 8:20. By 8:25, we will close this meeting. Okay, so you have queries, you put in chat and you can enroll. Okay, so I will tell you have seen many things in the class. You have seen how our students have joined batches. They have again joined our free classes also, just to refresh things. So okay, Adamola, I would like to enroll, but I would like to, but I am occupied till second week in April. So March, April. Okay. Do you think it's better? So you will lose 2 sessions, Adamola. Okay. 2 week sessions, but you have 15 years of experience. So I think it will be very good. Gopal Krishna, check-in website. I have discussed many a time syllabus and all. You just take 2 minutes of time, go over the website, check the placements. Everything is there in the website only. Okay. Just take, see, I have given so many things. You have seen the how I teach. I don't know why you guys want to spend lakhs of rupees at other places. So that's what. Krunal, until there is an issue, don't delete your PF account. Okay, you understood it, right? Until the other company are telling, don't delete the PF account. So I will take this screenshot. Very important. Don't delete anything. Okay, clear? Yes, online class 2, if you want to enroll, you have to pay. Very simple, okay? 4999 portal is not opening. Try once. Try once now. It will open. See, it's opening, okay? No issues. No issues with portal. No, for this live class, it's free. You can drop off Darshan. It's already completed. No issues. Okay, those who are enrolling, I have asked you to wait. Okay, Soumyadeep, you can ask your question. I will reply in a short. Are Hiren, I have total of 9 years of experience working as server support engineer at SAC ISRO. But now, hey, why you are working in ISRO, right? Why you want to get back in DevOps? So you joined batch 11. Not only your resume, your projects, everything we will change it. Okay. But only thing is how you want to show your ISRO experience as an IT, that you take care. Okay, Hiren? Makes sense? Okay. Darshan, thanks a lot. Yes, Akram, I am seeing your message. So I told you already, you can put in the chat. Okay, those who are not interested, you can drop off, guys. No need to wait in the class. Okay, only 3 people. If you want to enroll, you can wait. Okay. Anyone who is enrolling, you can give your name also on the chat so that I can wait. I don't have energy to talk more. So that's the reason. Okay, I will enroll today in about 3 hours. I am at work now. Oh, sure. Ademola, please take care. No issues. Anusha, no plans as of now. It's like 4 or 5 months. It will. Okay, no plans as of now. I have gap of 7 months, but in my job search, see, 7 months is fine, but don't make more than that. That's what my suggestion is. My BTech will be completed by July. Although I have experience of 2.9 years or so, how should I portray that? How come your BTech is going to complete in 2025 and you are having 2.9 years of experience? Oh, okay. Diploma and BTech. Okay. That's a genuine thing, right? Why you are worrying then? Bhuvaneshwari, ask your question. I got into Gemini. Okay. Then you can do that. No issues. Your PF will be there. But only thing is you are into non-IT. Sumit is telling, yes, you can switch. Okay. So you are working in a good company, SAP EWM as a consultant, right? You can definitely. Yes, Vemula. Okay, confirm. Great. So till the end of this batch 11 course gap will be around 10 months. So you have 7 months of gap and you want to wait till batch 11 completion. I would suggest you start the job search now. By the time you fail some interviews or pass some interviews, batch 11 will start and you can have your learnings from there. Vinayak Sawant, I have seen your message just now. Okay. You can ask your query, Vinayak. 1-to-1 is basically either 1 time or 2 time. You can take it according to your interest. Why Azure DevOps is not part of course? Azure is part of course, not DevOps, not Azure DevOps. Okay. You can check the syllabus. Sure, Somidev. Sure, definitely. Okay, let me check in Google, YouTube also. Vijay Ranjan. My current job role is customer support. So guys, 2 slots left. Okay, for today. Now I would need your names. How many of you are enrolling right now? But not why not needed, yeah. Why you want to learn Azure DevOps, AWS DevOps, normal DevOps, everything, why you want to learn? Not needed. Okay, others you can drop off. Those who don't want to enroll for batch 11, please drop off, guys. Okay, no issues. You can drop off. Okay, you learn from other place, na Vinayak, no issues. Okay. Okay, so syllabus you have seen, right? If you feel it's good, you can definitely enroll. Okay. DevOps is mostly used, as I've shown you in Walmart, in other companies like SAP and all. Okay, how many of you are enrolling? This is the final time I am asking. If you are enrolling, I will wait, or else we can say bye-bye and close this call. Anyone enrolling? Anyone enrolling now? Anyone from YouTube Live or from here? Yes, definitely. Anyone enrolling from this Zoom class? Anyone? Okay, that's fine. Great. Okay. Yes, Shivam, definitely. Okay. Okay, guys. Thanks a lot for joining today's live. It was great talking to you all. And the people on YouTube, bro, I doesn't get Zoom link. Zoom link, you will get it. You will get it. Batch 11, time is there. 1 week. In 1 week, you will get all the things. Okay. Shantanu, you are not in Zoom, you are on YouTube, but we will talk. Will distance education from University of Madras will be an issue joining unicorns or product-based company? So you have to tell me previous details also. Okay. Sure, Chetan. Thanks a lot. You can drop off, guys. You all can drop off. Some questions are there on YouTube. I will take that. Okay. Right. Okay. Great. Thanks a lot for joining, guys. Wonderful evening. Tomorrow we will see some projects we will touch base. And batch 11, those who have enrolled, you have to definitely join tomorrow's class also. Okay. Right. Thanks a lot. Please take care and happy weekend. Bye. Thank you. Thank you. Would love to see you all, your posts on LinkedIn. Okay. So I will acknowledge. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Bye. Vinayak, see you in tomorrow's class. If any questions come tomorrow, we will discuss. If we enroll, no, that's not possible. Okay. Vinayak, that's not possible. Thank you. Bye. But if you are enrolling for this batch, Vinayak, next batch, if you still want to continue, you will get discount. Okay. Because you are already joining in this batch, you will get discount. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. You can ask your friends also to join batch 11 if anyone is interested. Okay. Don't ask them to join like 1,20,000 courses or 60,000 courses. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Okay. YouTube, I'm ending the stream. I hope you like the session. You can share the link with your friends and ask them to join tomorrow's class also. Bye.